Today I'm going to show you a simple fix for a very common plumbing problem. A leak between your sink basket strainer and the tubular drain pipe. This metal nut right here uses a plastic washer, and sometimes no matter how tight you make it, it just keeps leaking. If you've ever replaced a drain or installed new plumbing under your sink, you've probably dealt with this exact issue. The good news? You don't need to replace anything, and you don't need to over-tighten it either. Let me show you a quick fix that works great. Alright, you can clearly see the drip coming from this connection. The nut is already tight, but the washer isn't sealing properly. Here's what we're going to use: Megalock. This is a multi-purpose thread sealant that works on metal, plastic, and even gas lines. What it does is help fill tiny gaps and imperfections that cause leaks like this. First thing, we're going to loosen this nut. I'll grab my channel locks here. Go ahead and back it off. Then let the pipe drop down slightly. You may need to loosen another connection nearby, especially if you've got a garbage disposal, to give yourself a little movement. Once it's loose, pull the washer out. Now here's the key part. Take a small amount of Megalock, just a little, you don't need much, and apply it around the bottom edge of the washer. Then add a light coat around the top edge as well. That's it. You're not packing it on, just enough to help it seal. Now slide the washer back into place. Bring the pipe back up and thread the nut back on. Start hand tight first. Then grab your channel locks and snug it up. Don't over tighten. Too much pressure can actually cause leaks. Make sure you retighten anything else you loosened earlier. In my case, that's the garbage disposal drain connection. Alright, now let's test it. Fill the sink up a bit and let it drain. And there you go, no drips, no leaks. Problem solved. This trick works really well when you've got a stubborn leak that just won't go away, even when everything is tight. Alright folks, I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, Megalock is great stuff, and I'll put a link in the description below. If you like the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. We're just here to help, and we hope we're doing exactly that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.